Good afternoon, this is Ashley Jarvis with Real Broker LLC and the Jarvis Group. I'm over here at 2231 Village Lane, just went on the market for $325,000 and this is a beauty. It is all brick construction as you can see behind me. A few blocks down the road is Meadowlark Elementary School, one of the most sought after schools in the Salina school system. There is a gorgeous landscaped backyard. Inside we've got a master suite. This home is a one-owner home. It has been meticulously cared for. All seasons room outside. Right now they've got the air conditioner in that Four Seasons room set to refrigerator. Wide open floor plan with a double-sided gas fireplace in the middle between the living room and the dining room. Really could do a lot of entertaining there. You got quartz countertops in the kitchen. They've really done well. Everything here, and when I say meticulous, I mean it. Got a half-finished basement. There is a gorgeous landscaped backyard. Gorgeous landscaped backyard. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call. Ashley Jarvis, 785-822-1622. Thank you so much. I hope to hear from you. Have a great day.